What's going on, you guys? Paul here with Paul's Performance, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we have a special one. As you can see, we have Samuel's Bean parked behind me. You've seen this car a lot. We've had a lot of questions, interest. A lot of you guys like this car. Some of you may hate this car. We're going to talk about it a lot more. This is not the last video you're going to see of this car, so if you hate it, then you probably shouldn't be watching this. But anyways, we are trying to figure out what we should do next to this car. Even though it looks pretty and, like I said, it's all cool and show car, it has a list of problems, such as the fact that the rear driver wheel scrapes the paint off of the fender well, but we're not going to fix that. The fact that water leaks into the driver floorboard, but we're not going to fix that either. Or that the car scrapes on the way out of my driveway and has also bottomed out in the middle of the road, and that it can only haul 2 people. 3 is too much, but we're not going to fix that either. But what we're looking for is under the hood, where the power is created. We don't care about things like safety, maneuverability, comfort, even drivability, any of that stuff. What we want is more power. So what my question is to you is what we should do next to this car under the hood. We already have a big set of injectors in there. We've already replaced the clutch, got the manual swap in there. We're already tuned via Malone tuning, which we'll probably have to get updated. The turbo actuator is pretty worn on this car, and the turbo is starting to stick, and this is the stock turbo. It's really time to replace that turbo, but we don't want to go back with another stock turbo, obviously. We want to go back with something better. So my question to you is, which turbo should we put in? What do you guys want to see? Do you guys want to see me put in a VNT 17, or do you want to see me put in another turbo option for the ALH? If so, let me know in the comment section. Whatever you guys want to see, that's what we're going to put in it. There's also another question that the guy behind the camera really wants to know your answer. That is, as you can see, this hood is very OEM and stock. And what he wants to know is if we should cut a circular hole in this area of the hood and put the exhaust coming out of it. Now, my answer was no. I would not want that on my car, but he seems to like it. There's a lot of people out there that like it, and like I said, this is more of his show car that he wants to be cool and powerful. So do you guys think that we should put a hood stack on this car? We're gonna have a little thing, like I said, the comments, yay or nay, if we could do a hood stack. And if we do a hood stack, we'll make a video on how we build that and how we do that. Or we could do a nice under the car exhaust, which is what I prefer, and we could also make a video on that as well. But let us know which one we should do for the exhaust as well. And I know there's a bunch of you out there who are probably wondering, is the Every Mod still on the car? Actually, it passed away of natural causes. No, it didn't. It's still on the car. It's doing just fine. If you guys have ALH and you have the Every Mod, you know that it is not a tune, and you really have to fine tune it to get it right, but it does work for that little bit of extra power boost. Samuel still has his on the switch, and every time he wants to use it or he wants to blow a little black smoke, he can turn it on and make it lope and blow all this black smoke and do all that stuff that you want to do with the diesel car. It's still on the car and it's still doing just fine. That's the review on that. I know a bunch of you had questions about the Every Mod and whether or not it was still here and how it does, blah blah blah, but he still has it, he still likes it. So that's all that matters. All right guys, so like I said, leave your comments below. Let us know what turbo we should put in this and what exhaust system. I really hope you guys choose good options, because you know, I want this car to not live at my shop with problems. So I hope you guys can make the right decision, but obviously we're gonna do what you guys want. So if you guys want to have a hood stack that fills up with water, then that's what we're gonna do. As the mechanic, I don't want to see that, but it's up to you guys. We're giving you guys the steering wheel. So let us know which turbo and which exhaust we should put on this car. And if there's anything else you want to see on this car, leave that comment as well. We may make a video on that. I know there's been a lot of questions on setups and stuff on this particular car. If you guys want to see that and we get enough comment, we may make a video. If you want to see the lower end setup or whatever, you know, you want to see on this particular car, let us know that too. And if we get enough interest, we may make a video on that. But the main thing is that turbo and that exhaust, and let us know what we should do. So anyways, like I said, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, please like and subscribe and comment this time, and see you guys next time.